Welcome to 66 Blue Heron Lane. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home in Greenwood Village. Absolutely gorgeous. Real hardwood floors, beautiful vaulted ceilings, lots of natural sunlight. First floor, you're gonna have this beautiful sitting room, dining room. Find a gorgeous kitchen here. Oh, beautiful backsplash, stainless steel appliances, gas stove. And a beautiful fireplace. Okay, out this door we've got a yard. Little patio out here for grilling and furniture. And we'll head back inside. Okay, let's head over to the primary bedroom. Very spacious. Again, lots of sunlight. Great bathroom here. A freestanding tub. Large shower. Here's the water closet. And amazing walk-in closet here with built-ins. Let's head over. There's a little half bath here, a little powder room. There's a laundry room, lots of cabinetry, space for coats and shoes, built-in shelves in the closet. An oversized garage. Got another bathroom here. An office. Technically a bedroom. It's got a closet and some windows, so it's another bedroom, but it could also be used as an office. There is another bedroom. This is all on the first floor. More built-ins in this closet. It's great. Okay. We'll head down to the finished basement. This is unfinished space, tons of storage. You could also make this into a little gym. Got some more space over here. Cabinets, more storage. It's great. There's a ton of space in this house. Oops. Got another bedroom over here. Another generously sized walk-in closet. This is a downstairs bedroom, but it's still got a great amount of sunlight. Got a full bath here. Beautiful vanity and mirror, large shower. Huge space for entertaining down here. You've got a wet bar, another beautiful fireplace, tons of space for playroom or entertaining, and another bedroom down here. Look at that. Very generously sized with a closet. It's a great house and it's available now.